Hello, good morning, friends. My name is Dr. DIPANSHU, and I am a BAMS doctor, Ayurvedic doctor, and I'm gonna teach you about digestive system. So basically, the digestive system is consist of um, the part which comprises from the mouth to the anus. So digestive system help us to digest the food we eat and assimilate and absorb the nutrients and provide it to the cell, and the cell use it, energize it, it produce energy, the cell produce energy, and it helps to maintain the living body. The cell helps to maintain the living body and generate ATP. So basically, the digestive system is uh, comprises of following parts. We can name it is from mouth, then esophagus, that is our food pipe. Esophagus, that is our food pipe. Then we have stomach. Then we have small intestine, large intestine. In the small intestine, it has duodenum, jejunum, ileum, and the large intestine it has cecum, colon, and rectum. So basically, from the mouth to the anus, it is called as alimentary canal. So basically, the alimentary canal or the gut or the digestive tract is comprised of these components. So basically, every component of the digestive system has its importance and significance. For example, let's we start from the mouth. Are you getting, students? Let me start with the mouth. That is oral cavity. You can see my mouth. That is comprised of teeth, tongue, and the mucosa. So basically, that is the buccal cavity. You know buccal cavity. Okay. So basically, when we eat something, so basically our teeth grind it, chew it, masticate it with the help of these muscles, and grind it into a smaller particle. Okay, smaller particle will be swallowed from the pharynx and it goes into the food pipe, that is esophagus. Food pipe length is 25 centimeter, that is from here to here. This length is 25 centimeter, and the length of the food pipe is 25 centimeter. So basically, it is the food pipe that carries the food in the form of peristaltic movement, that is contraction and relaxation of the food, which goes downward straight to the stomach. Okay, so food pipe function is it transport the food from the mouth to the stomach. So basically, when the masticated food or chewed food mixed with the saliva, enzymes called salivary amylase releasing from the duct, pancreatic, parotid duct, subaxillary duct, sublingual duct, and these releases enzyme salivary amylase, which mixed with the food process it, help to easy swallow, and goes into the stomach. When the food reaches the stomach, it came in contact with the HCl. The HCl is the acid that is produced in the stomach, help to digest the protein part of the food. So basically, it maintains the low pH so that any harmful bacteria ingested with the food can be killed or trapped in the stomach itself. So basically, the stomach is a bag-like structure, comprises of 4 layers. Stomach comprises of 4 layers, and it has a capacity of 2 to 3 liters. So basically, stomach comprises the food and transferred into the small intestine. Small intestine first part is duodenum. Duodenum is 12 inches long. As the term suggests, duodenum is 12 inches long. It helps to digest the food by releasing several enzymes from the pancreas, from the liver. Okay, so from the duodenum the food passes to the jejunum, and there it is absorbed, and in further ileum. So basically, the food reaches till ileum, and it is the termination of small intestine and the starting point of large intestine. So basically all the nutrients of the food are absorbed and digested at the terminal part of the ileum. So after ileum, the food is transported to the cecum, and cecum transported to the food through the colon. And we have colon in the small intestine that has three parts: ascending colon, transverse colon, and the descending colon. And last but not the least is the sigmoid colon, and it get fused with the rectum part. Okay. So basically the undigested food or the water electrolytes are absorbed here, and it transfer the undigested part from inside to the outside the body. Okay. So basically we just see the food travel of the food from the mouth to the anus from these following components. And now let's talk about the process. There are 5 processes from which we ingest the food. That is first is ingestion. First part is ingestion. We ingest the food, we take the food. Second part is we digest the food. Third part is we assimilate the food. Fourth part is we absorb the food. And fifth part is we excrete the waste material from the body through the anus. So basically it is brief description of digestive system according to class 9th and 10th. Thank you so much. Okay.